But here, this is where this show gets interesting.
Here's where it's gonna get funky, huh?
Here's where it's gonna get funky. The Adidas, Joe pulls out, he throws an Adidas box on the ground, and I come up here with a Nike box.
Look at this guy.
I come up here with a Nike box, right? This is light work, really, but it's not at the same time. So I just went back to my roots. I just wanted to grab these.
Listen, this isn't proper English, but you can't not get these.
Right.
I mean, come on, man.
It's classic.
Like, come on, man. It's white.
Classic,
it is white and red. And that is all that needs to be said. I'm wearing a white and red t-shirt, right? It is white and red. And it is red. It's not, you know, maroon or sunburst or this is red. That's it. And these are crazy.
Dunks, man. I got a little photo shoot that I'm working on. I was like, these might be good with that. Yeah. And plus they're dunks, you know what I'm saying? And I wanted them. So I grabbed these joints.
These are definitely, you know, and you know, shout out to Nike because they started doing that a little bit with the dunks. They brought back just the minimalist color. They came out with the Michigan colors.
Yeah.
They came out with the Ohio State, the gray and red, but not just red and white. Then they came out, we've unboxed some from Morgan that were like white and lavender and all types of stuff. And so
that's cool. But I mean, they didn't just come out with these. These just been out. I just grabbed them.
No doubt. And this is that. This is that original sneaker leather. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Like,
I know exactly what you mean.
This is that original sneaker leather.
This is straight boogers and sugar right here.
Booger and sugar leather.
This is not so, you know, so this ain't saving no environments. This ain't reducing no carbon footprint.
This is that. So I wonder, and I love the red shoestrings in here. I really do. I wonder what it would look like with some white ones.
It would look really clean with some white shoestrings.
Yeah.
So yeah. That's the answer to that.
Yeah. These are tough.
Yeah, man, they dope.
This is fantastic, man. That's fantastic.
Yeah, these don't require breakdown.
They don't.
They don't require breakdown. They know what these are.
It's one of those things that you have to respect their presence in the space.
Yep.
Not a lot to talk about.
God, Joe, you are. How long have we been doing this? 25 years? This show?
Absolutely.
25 years.
Absolutely.
That's what it feels like. Because I was just thinking to myself, if there's a sneaker event where everybody's going to pull out the most heat ever, I can walk into a sneaker event with these on, and it's respect.
You have to respect.
It's a red and white dunk. Are you kidding me?
Present. It's a red and white dunk on a red and white Nike box.
Forget about it.
Like that's that.
Forget about it, man.
That's what we're here for.
Yeah, so I grabbed some joints, man. I'm happy about them. You know what I'm saying?
That's a nice cop.
Figure something out about those.
Yeah, nice pickup.
So that's the first funny part. Your last pair being the pair of Adidas, my first pair being the pair of Nikes. That's the first part.